I'm going to give you a video of what we received. Officially, the measurement was 21 inches in Spring Grove, which was about, I think it came out about 10:30 this morning. The snow may not have been all the way over at that point, but it is pretty much now. And here's what we've got. Probably 3.5 foot drifts in some areas, 4 foot drifts. That yard goes up to this bottom level deck, which is probably 2.5, 3 feet off the ground. Obviously you could see the roof of the shed and how all this looks today as compared with the other video. I'm going to try and take a look. Miss Molly wants to get in the video. Let's take a look at the stump. Stump is just covered with snow. Not real eventful, but you can, there are really, really interesting waves of snow out here. In front of the shed is one of them. It sort of takes a huge rise where it landed, and then tapers off right next to the shed. That actually is a garden bench out there, so that can give you a good idea of how high the snow is out there. My daughter was building an igloo, and our tree. We'll walk around the front. I just want to give you a peek at the driveway. The basement stairs are completely covered, which I really need to get to so that does not melt and start to flood our basement. Okay, just kind of give you an idea of the situation with the icicle in the roof. My daughter's car. Sorry, I don't want her to knock me over. And the driveway. What driveway there is, you can see sort of somewhat of a path there. And we are really starting to hear some plows and other things coming through. Snowmobiles, for sure. Snowmobiles having a blast. But for the most part, everything is shut down completely. Okay, that's our video. Thank you very much for stopping by to see the blizzard of 2011.